If you're a homeowner in Covington, you know that the climate can range from chilly winters to hot, humid summers. Keeping your home comfortable throughout the year can be a challenge, especially when your doors are not providing the insulation and protection they should. Drafty doors are one of the leading culprits of energy loss in homes. However, investing in professional door installation can significantly improve your home's insulation, help prevent drafts, and lower your energy bills. Here's how door installation in Covington can make a significant difference in the comfort of your home and provide long-term savings. Eliminating drafts for a more comfortable home. Drafts are a common issue in homes with old, poorly sealed doors. As cold air seeps in during the winter and cool air escapes during the summer, your heating and cooling systems must work harder to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. This leads to increased energy consumption and higher utility bills. Door installation can eliminate drafts by ensuring that your new doors are properly fitted and sealed. Modern doors come with weather stripping and tight-fitting seals that prevent air from leaking in or out. These upgrades make a noticeable difference in your home's overall temperature regulation, allowing you to maintain a comfortable living space year-round without constantly adjusting your thermostat. Whether it's the front, back, or patio door, professional installation guarantees that drafts are minimized, creating a more comfortable environment for you and your family. Improving energy efficiency in Covington, where winters can get quite chilly and summers can be hot and humid, energy efficiency is key to keeping your home comfortable without spending a fortune on heating and cooling. If your current doors are old or inefficient, they may be responsible for a significant portion of your energy loss. This is particularly true for doors that are made from outdated materials like thin wood or metal, which can fail to provide proper insulation. By opting for new energy-efficient doors, you're making a smart investment in the long-term comfort of your home. Modern doors, such as fiberglass or insulated steel doors, are designed to provide superior insulation compared to older models. These doors help to maintain a consistent indoor temperature, preventing heat from escaping in the winter and blocking excessive heat from entering during the summer. With proper installation, high-performance doors can help reduce your energy consumption, resulting in lower utility bills and a more comfortable indoor environment. Enhancing insulation with modern door materials. One of the most important factors in preventing drafts and improving insulation is the material of the door itself. Insulated doors are built with multiple layers of materials designed to provide maximum insulation. For instance, fiberglass doors have an inner core of insulation material, which helps to reduce heat transfer and block air leaks. Similarly, steel doors can be filled with insulation for added thermal efficiency. These materials ensure that your home stays warm in the winter and cool in the summer. Another benefit of modern door materials is their ability to resist the elements. Whether it's heavy rain, wind, or fluctuating temperatures, modern doors are designed to stand up to harsh weather conditions. A well-insulated door also helps protect your home from the effects of moisture and humidity, which can lead to mold and mildew growth, further improving indoor air quality. Increasing home comfort by regulating temperature. properly installed and well-insulated doors help regulate your home's temperature, creating a more comfortable living environment. When cold air enters through old or poorly sealed doors, it can create cold spots in your home, making some rooms uncomfortable to stay in. On the other hand, warm air escaping through drafty doors during the colder months can lead to uneven heating, making it harder to keep your home consistently warm. New doors installed by professionals not only prevent these temperature fluctuations but also help maintain a stable indoor climate. Thermal breaks in modern doors prevent heat loss and gain, ensuring that your home's internal temperature remains balanced. This is especially important for spaces like living rooms, kitchens, or bedrooms, where comfort is essential. With proper insulation and a tight seal, your new doors will provide consistent warmth or coolness, improving the overall comfort of your home. Long-term savings on energy bills. Investing in door installation doesn't just enhance your comfort, it also saves you money. By reducing drafts and improving insulation, new doors can significantly lower your heating and cooling costs. According to the U.S. Department of Energy, up to 30% of a home's energy loss can be attributed to drafty doors and windows. If your doors are old or not properly sealed, you could be wasting energy without even realizing it. Energy-efficient doors can help cut down on this loss by minimizing the amount of air escaping or entering your home. Over time, this translates to lower energy bills and a more sustainable home. Though the upfront cost of installing new doors might seem like an investment, the savings on your monthly utility bills will quickly offset the cost, providing long-term financial benefits. Improved aesthetic appeal and property value. In addition to the functional benefits, upgrading your doors can also enhance your home's aesthetic appeal. New, modern doors come in a variety of styles and materials, allowing you to choose the perfect option for your home's design. Whether you prefer a classic wood door or a more contemporary fiberglass door, a new entry door can drastically improve your home's curb appeal. If you're considering selling your home in the future, new doors can increase its market value. Buyers are more likely to be attracted to homes with updated features that promise lower maintenance and better energy efficiency. Professional door installation adds both style and functionality to your home, making it a more attractive investment for potential buyers. Final thought. If you're tired of dealing with drafts, high energy bills, and uncomfortable indoor temperatures, professional door installation in Covington is a smart solution. By upgrading to well-insulated, energy-efficient doors, you can significantly improve your home's comfort, energy efficiency, and overall appeal. Whether you're looking to create a cozier living space, save money on energy costs, or increase your home's value, investing in new doors is a decision that will pay off in both the short and long term.